our 7th unit. And we're going to talk about volume. Your learning target today, you're going to be able to calculate the volume of various prisms and cylinders. So volume is equal to big V times H. What do you think big V means?
Area of base.
Yep, big V is equal to the area of the base. These notes, some of you are like, we didn't get notes. You did. They are part of G6. These notes are part of G6. So big B is the area of the base. So to calculate volume, how I go about doing it, I figure out what big B is, what H is, and just times them together. So this is a rectangular prism. So my big B, the area of my base, so it looks like my base is this rectangle, is going to be 6 times 4. My height is 2 feet high. So my volume is going to be 6 times 4 times 2. 24 times 2. 48. And volume is cubic. It's 3-dimensional. 48 cubic centimeters. Okay, it gets harder when you have triangles involved. You have to be fluent with the area, the formula for the area of a triangle. So big B for this next one. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So here I got 4 times my height, 1.5, divided by 2. That's big B. You can just calculate that quick. 4 times 1.5 divided by 2 is 3. H connects the two bases, so my H is my 6. So my volume is equal to 3 times 6, which is 18 cubic meters. Okay, we have another circle example. Just kidding, triangle example. All right, I have another triangular prism. Again, my volume is equal to big B times H. Big B is the area of my base. I see a triangle there. So it looks like the base of my triangle is this dimension here, which is 9. The height of my triangle is 4. So that, and then I got to divide it by 2. Triangle base times the height of it divided by 2. This is going to be what? 36 over 2, 18. The height of my prism connects the two bases, so it's right here. And I think that says 8.1.
Yeah.
So my volume is going to equal to 18 times 8.1. You don't have to show this much work in your actual homework. I will want to see what you're multiplying together, but you don't have to say H equals or big B equals. I do need to see this step though. I need to see that you know what they equal, and I can see that by that last step. So 18 times 8.1 is 145.8 cubic centimeters. The next one is a rectangular prism. So I need to find big B. It's going to be 7 times 4, which equals 28. The height connects the two bases, so my height is equal to 10. My volume is 28 times 10, 280 cubic centimeters. So you can always, on an OPA or MCA, they will always give you the generic formula for surface area and volume. You can always go through and analyze it out utilizing this process here while we discover what the formula for the volume of a cylinder is. We figure out what the big B is. Base is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So then my formula, it's just big B, which is pi r squared times the height. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times h. Okay? So this cylinder, our volume is going to be 4 squared is 16. Well, let me just write it. 4 squared times 3.14 times a height. 16 times 3.14 times 6. That's equal to 301.44 cubic centimeters.
Wait, do you want four boys? Four. Wait,
It doesn't matter.
Our assignment, do you want us to use pi or 3.14?
I tend to use 3.14. That way I can quickly go through my numbers. It doesn't matter. I really am not going to care. But I use 3.14 for this. Okay, next one. My radius is 6. My height is 4. So my volume is going to be 6 squared times pi, 3.14, times the height. 36 times 3.14 times 4. And this step right here would be about what I expect to see on your homework. So you can square your radius right away, but I want to see the numbers you're multiplying together. So 36 times 3.14 times 4 is 452.16 cubic centimeters. And we are done.